Cutting through the dark waters at dawn, the giant squid vessel is a self-contained industrial harvest system, processing the deep ocean's bounty far from land. The bridge relies entirely on these advanced sonar systems to locate the colossal squid in the crushing depths below. With the new day comes the organized chaos of the pre-harvest setup. Hydraulic reels are tested and stations cleared as the hunt for giant squid begins. The massive arrays are lowered into the black water, igniting a powerful lure for the giant squid below. The scene reveals catching giant ocean squid, turning open water into a controlled concentration zone.
We have movement at 40 meters. Hold the net steady.
The synchronized jigging units pulse their lines deep into the illuminated water, a precise display of automated harvest motion.
At the exact moment of capture, the first hull breaks the surface. These giant ocean squid represent a challenging bounty.
The receiving deck is a scene of controlled chaos. These colossal squid, weighing hundreds of pounds, must... Inside this active starboard deck, the continuous multi-line harvest rhythm dictates the pace. It's a synchronized cycle of reels, hooks, and dedicated deckhands. Once aboard, the giant squid are rushed to the sorting zone. The crew meticulously separates the catch by size and quality, a rapid and highly organized operation. The immediate priority is the removal of slime and debris. By linking harvest speed directly to rigorous hygienic control,
down the line, the structured onboard butchery system is in full effect. With practiced precision, the crew Immediately after capture, the giant squid undergo exact onboard cleaning procedures to protect their quality. In the refined processing section, the outer skin is swiftly lifted away. The cleaned mantle then passes efficiently into the scene reveals the process of catching giant ocean squid, extracting multiple saleable streams from a single catch with minimal waste. As the camera glides over the inspection tables, the mantles are carefully spread and checked for damage, ensuring a standardized product.
The giant ocean squid are immediately placed into a chilled slurry. This rapid pre-cooling is essential for locking in freshness before final freezing or packing.
To ensure maximum freshness, the giant squid are immediately brought below deck and loaded into the blast freezer, where temperatures rapidly drop to sub-zero.
The giant squid are quickly lowered into the ultra-cold brine tanks. This freezing pathway ensures the massive volumes are handled efficiently by the crew. Aboard this floating freezer warehouse, loads are placed in coded positions. Nothing remains outside the cold containers. Ensuring the integrity of the catch, the giant squid undergoes rigorous scientific monitoring in the onboard laboratory.
Between waves of harvesting, the wet deck undergoes a rapid, high-intensity cleaning.
This vessel operates as a non-stop factory, compressing days of labor into a relentless cycle of harvest and freezing. The giant ocean squid catch shifts from offshore factory mode to port distribution. Deep below deck, the frozen cargo is ready to move.
Once caught, the massive squid must be immediately transported through a complex cold chain to preserve its quality.
The massive cargo must be transferred quickly from the hold to the port, without ever breaking the crucial cold chain.
The synchronized dance of the cold dock ensures the catch, once landed by crane, is swiftly transferred to refrigerated.
The giant ocean squid arrive at the shore processing plant, beginning their transformation from marine freight to industrial product. Product softens just enough for precise cutting, while sensors and workers maintain strict control. Nothing warms too far, and nothing waits too long.
Here in the cutting hall, the giant ocean squid begin their journey from frozen cargo to refined food manufacturing.
Catching giant ocean squid reveals a large-scale protein disassembly system designed for speed and clarity. The rough harvest complete, the focus shifts to extracting high-value product through careful finishing, refining the mantles for premium sale. Here, every tentacle is graded meticulously. By routing each part into optimized downstream uses, they maximize the squid's value. The high-speed portioning hall transforms the giant squid into consistent rings. Every cut is precise, ensuring uniformity for the retail market.
The scene reveals catching giant ocean squid, pairing final hygiene with precise moisture control before packaging.
The camera follows each portion as exact weights and batch IDs are assigned without stopping the line. This ensures precision and traceability for the consumer.
The journey from the deep ocean concludes here. Through meticulous vacuum packing, the giant squid portions are sealed in rapid
Fingers. This integrated line produces both premium consumer and large commercial outputs. The large product streams are the packaged product moves into the blast tunnel as cold air locks the temperature. This concludes the shoreside preservation stage with exact industrial freezing. The scene reveals how catching giant ocean squid extends into disciplined frozen warehousing after processing, maintaining freshness for global markets.
In this state-of-the-art facility, safety and quality parameters are verified before release. Each result feeds directly into shipment approval.
The giant ocean squid now enters the critical export logistics stage. Here, every pallet is wrapped for cold protection and labeled for full traceability. As the giant ocean squid moves into full cold chain distribution, the loading process must be swift to protect the temperature and exact to maintain route order. From the icy depths to the dinner plate, the journey of the giant squid relies on precise logistics. Scene 46. After a huge industrial journey, the giant ocean squid finally reaches its calm consumer endpoint, ready for purchase. The journey from the deep ocean ends here. The chefs meticulously inspect the giant squid, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken for premium quality. Compressing a long vessel-to-market chain into one ordinary purchase. The moment is quiet, but the process...
A sweeping harvest at sea. The vessel acts as a floating factory, moving relentlessly from search to freezing in one continuous cycle. This port-to-plant transfer is a seamless chain of logistics. Every movement, from the crane offload to the processing conveyors, is timed to preserve the catch. The journey from the deep ocean catch to the consumer's plate is a precise cold workflow. Every step, from butchery to from the deep ocean to the distribution center, our state-of-the-art cold chain ensures the squid arrives fresh at your local market and restaurant. As the camera glides across the product wall, one catch transforms into many commercial forms. Each format suggests a specific downstream. To truly understand where our food comes from, sometimes we must look backward, tracing this calamari through the supply chain all the way to the open ocean. The continuous industrial arc begins here, under the blazing lights of the vessel, moving rapidly through processing, freezing, and packaging.
From the moment the giant squid are hauled aboard by the jigging lines, this vessel acts as a mobile food plant, processing and freezing the catch at sea. Here at the shore plant, the colossal squid undergoes its second transformation. From the cutting hall to the ship behaves like a floating factory line in the darkness, a high-output industrial harvest system where the product never stops moving.
The journey of the giant squid extends far beyond the vessel, entering a complex cold manufacturing cycle. This intricate relay, spanning thousands of miles, highlights the precision required to handle the ocean's bounty, connecting the catch to the consumer.
Catching giant ocean squid is as much a cold engineering story as it is a harvest story, relying on constant refrigeration from deck to store. The Dosodicus gigas, or Humboldt squid, is a marvel of industrial logic. Every part of the catch is meticulously segmented, ensuring total utilization. Product identity remains attached from ocean catch to final sale. Data moves with the same precision as the squid itself, creating a traceable industrial network from sea to shelf. From the dark ocean to the bright retail shelf, this is the vast industrial food corridor required to bring giant squid to market. We reverse the journey of the giant squid. From the supermarket shelf, back through the vast cold storage and processing factory. A signal on the bridge begins the surge. The squid are caught, rapidly processed, and blast frozen at sea. This meticulous. We begin with the finished product, the perfectly trimmed calamari on a premium tray. But tracing this journey backward, in tears. Catching these deep-sea giants is just the first step. The rapid shift from the fishing deck to advanced freezing and precise cutting. From the icy depths to the dinner plate, the journey of the giant squid is a continuous cycle of supply and demand. From this single calamari ring, we pull back to reveal the vast, cold network of machines, sprawling factories, and the massive vessels that harvest the deep ocean. The journey of the giant squid relies on a seamless global refrigerated trade corridor, a network of freezer tunnels, trucks, and vessels spanning the globe. From a single harvest stream, this diversified system yields a full spectrum of products, catering to every market, from bulk commodities to premium retail. From the depths of the ocean, the giant squid begins its rapid journey. Caught and immediately chilled, it moves through the automated from the sterile confines of the seafood counter, back through the industrial processing, to the deep, turbulent ocean where these colossal creatures thrive beneath the vessel lights. From the deep ocean attraction to the polished sail, the full chain of catching giant ocean squid requires precision at every step. This is the full human and machine choreography, a coordinated relay across the entire supply chain, ensuring the giant ocean squid makes it from ship to market. Temperature and quality are measured continuously from capture to sale. Data and product remain inseparable in this tightly controlled cold food system. What begins as a single product on a conveyor belt quickly expands into a fleet-level commercial chain, revealing the true scale of the deep ocean harvest. What appears as a simple frozen unit is the result of a highly structured manufacturing system, spanning multiple cold stages.
Camera revealed the vessel that harvested, cleaned, and froze this giant ocean squid. It operates as a self-contained industrial organism far offshore.
Change-ups. From this precise cut, we pull back into the vast, refrigerated economy that brings the giant squid to the table. An industrial cold is the supply corridor. From the moment the sonar detects the giant squid to the final store receipt, every step of the journey is meticulously tracked.
As we pull back, the full scale of the operation becomes clear. Catching giant ocean squid is not a single product.
The automated jigging machine delivers the catch directly to the processing line. In an unbroken chain, the giant squid is cleaned and trimmed. This reverse pullback reveals the process, from the sterile pack through the cleaning and trimming stations on the landing deck, all the way back to the automated marine capture system.
This is the invisible path from horizon to household, a journey spanning thousands of miles and countless dedicated hands.
The journey begins at dawn. Harvested from the deep ocean, the squid is rapidly processed, flash frozen, and delivered fresh to your local freezer aisle. The full cold chain network, from the freezing brine tanks on the vessel to the final packaged product, ensures the squid remains ultra-fresh.
The scene reveals catching giant ocean Humboldt squid as a fully documented industrial food network. Through the processing halls and frozen holds, the vessel reveals its true scale. A massive array of light cuts through the darkness. Catching the giant ocean squid begins with the light array. The full route from the ocean lure to the processed, frozen ring portion ensures standardization and quality. This highly perishable biological material demands a massive system, a complex vessel-to-plant corridor working around the clock. The entire seafood organism becomes visible across sea and land. Catching giant ocean squid is an integrated organism of data ensures quality control from the market, tracing the line directly back to the source, the giant Japanese flying squid. Precision in the kitchen mirrors precision in the plant. The scene reveals catching giant ocean squid as a manufacturing logic that survives all the way into culinary handling. Catching giant ocean squid is not just a fishing story. It's a massive, port-centered cold chain operation, coordinating the transfer from ship to distribution. From the moment the giant squid arrive, they enter a meticulously controlled cold chain. Blast freezers rapidly lower the temperature, ensuring product stability across systems. What begins with a single jigging hook expands to reveal an entire marine industrial ecosystem. Catching giant from the dark ocean depths to the bustling market, the journey of the giant squid is a marvel of modern industry, delivered fresh to your table.
From this single frozen pallet begins a journey across the sea and land. It is part of a vast interconnections.
The industrial logic hidden within this finished pack is staggering. A massive precision system works in perfect synchronization. From the intricate detail of the creature's eye, the scene unfolds into a high-speed, round-the-clock harvesting sequence, transforming marine life into commerce. From the deep ocean capture to the final frozen inventory, every stage of the colossal squid's journey is meticulously managed and documented here at the port facility. We trace the journey in reverse, from the freezer racks through the processing hall and the reefer dock, back to the powerful jigging reels hauling giant squid from the Black Sea. This single tray of squid represents a vast, complex cold chain traveling from the deep ocean across an intricate global distribution. The precision of the kitchen gives way to the massive scale of industrial harvesting. This supply chain feeds a global demand for giant squid. Here on the open ocean, the harvest is in full swing. The crew works in perfect synchronization with the machines, bringing in thousands of pounds of giant squid every hour. This is the full mechanical rhythm of the shore plant. A high volume of giant squid processed with relentless, controlled precision. From the violent chaos of the deep ocean to the sterile precision of the factory floor, the giant squid begins its final journey. From the ocean depths through industrial processing and packaging, this giant squid is fully traceable from sea to sale, concluding at the checkout scanner. The simple transaction at the checkout belies a vast, technologically advanced operation reaching deep into the ocean's twilight zone. Catching giant ocean squid requires a precise cold chain. This display illustrates the transformation stages, from the whole catch to the finished pack. This is the human relay wall, A chain of skilled labor, from the deck crews braving the ocean to the butchers and drivers, bringing system feels global, dense, and exact. The scene reveals catching giant ocean squid as a worldwide refrigerated seafood infrastructure. This seamless industrial panorama reveals the disciplined, cold-controlled journey of the giant squid, from the dark ocean waters to modern global markets.